welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do this famous clean makeup look. I have seen it all over social media, especially TikTok. But before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The first thing we're going to do is, of course, apply moisturizer, and I'm trying for the first time this one for e.l.f. because I just finished my previous moisturizer. Today will be like the second day today will be the second day, so I'm using the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Face Cream that has an SPF 30 sunscreen, and just going to, of course, apply it. And actually, I don't really have yet an opinion. I just started using it. We'll see how it goes. Oily skin. And this one, it says for dry, oily, and combination skin, is that I love the packaging. I love the blue with the white. Trying the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Eye Cream. So the second step is to do your brows. This clean makeup look is to apply brow gel. Well, to be honest, I'm not confident if you do that so you have softer let's say eyebrows. Use the Fill and Fluff from NYX, and I use the micro brow pencil, make my eyebrows look more softer. I'm just gonna use this one from NYX, a micro brow pencil, that it's gonna give my eyebrows a softer touch without using the other one, the Fill and Fluff. I feel like the other one makes to be honest, my eyebrows, let's say, more harsh. So use the one from the brow gel from NYX, draw more soft. And we're doing this clean makeup look, but I feel like it's a look that you would also do it, and for every day, to go to school, to go to work, to run some errands. Third step is to apply concealer. Want a heavy concealer? Of course, we don't want a heavy concealer because it's like a clean makeup. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. For that, you're going to apply 3 dots here, 3 dots here, and 1 here. We're going to start blending. And of course, going upwards to make this illusion of the face lift. Adding foundation, as you guys can see, it's a clean makeup look. Next step is powder. I'm gonna use the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and of course, because it is a clean makeup look, we are not going to bake, okay? So don't make mistake to bake, okay? We're just gonna put some powder, set the concealer a little bit. We are not going to bake, because if we bake, then it's like when you're gonna go out, right? You want something soft for every day, and this powder just on top of where we added some concealer. And next is blush. So we're gonna add blush. You can use a liquid blush. I think personally for this clean makeup look, it's gonna look more natural. You want to use a powder blush. So this one is from Wet n Wild, from the Care Bears collection. You guys know I love it, and I love it because it looks so cute on the face. So we're just gonna add a little bit on the cheeks and on the cheekbone. Like you're just adding a blush and eyebrows for like every day. It's gonna help you a lot for the face. So after that, the rest I'm just gonna add it on my nose. Then, of course, we cannot miss the step of a highlighter. For that, I'm going to use the one from Ren Beauty, Miss Mercury, which is a highlighter topper. I'm going to use this one because it is really soft, and for this clean makeup look, I think it's really, really perfect. I'm going to add on the cheekbone. on the nose. You can never miss the nose, right? Finally, the next step and the final step is mascara. So I'm gonna use the mascara from Maybelline, the Colossal Curl Bounce. And I don't know if you guys knew, but Maybelline just also launched their new mascara. I really want to try it because you guys know I'm a fan of mascaras. I'm a girl who since was what, I think 15 when I started using makeup is the first thing I wanted to apply and play with. So now I'm going to also do it on my lower lashes, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So you can just add mascara on your top lashes to do this everyday makeup look, but this clean makeup look is with also your lower lashes. This is the final makeup look. This is the clean makeup look that has been trending on social media, like I told you guys before. So simple, so quick. I think this you can do it in 10 minutes max, or maybe 5 if you're really good at it. Like I said, I feel like this makeup, it's more like an everyday. I feel like we have seen it all over the place. I mean, I think we do this most of the time in our regular days. Maybe we can skip highlighter, but it's something that we tend to do. They're calling it the clean makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, if you're starting in the makeup world, such a great way to start with the makeup, and it's not too hard. It's gonna be such a short video, but I really wanted to do this video for YouTube, for you guys, especially if you are new in the makeup world. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. Be very grateful if you guys give a thumbs up. It will help the YouTube channel, and I'll leave here on my social media, and I'll see you guys next time.